Across the channel, Dakotas flew high. Each carried screaming eagles to fill the night sky. 9 troopers to a stick, all ready to soar. It was the 6th of June, 1944. In the darkness we fell to an uncertain fate, hidden for Normandy in some heaven's gate. On 17 September we jumped again, this time Hell's Highway and Armageddon. And the German 88s turned the nighttime into day. We threw back every single round the enemy sent our way. We had a rendezvous with destiny. Yeah, they must have been nuts to pick a fight with my brothers and me. Then a night ride to Bastogne, when America's sons to spend the Christmas of '44 froze into our guns. The outlook was grim, surrounded all sides. We heard them Panzers coming, we knew it was time. The ground shook beneath us as we said one last prayer, crying out for medics, and death was in the air. To the brave men who fought in that cold Belgian snow, freedom had a flavor the protected will never know. And the German 88s turned the nighttime into day. But we threw back every single round the enemy sent our way. We had a rendezvous with destiny. Yeah, they must have been nuts to pick a fight with my brothers and me. Yeah, they must have been nuts to pick a fight with my brothers and me.